The Department of Irrigation and Drainage and Tenaga Nasional Berhad have established a war room to monitor the flood situation worldwide. Deputy Prime Minister and Energy Transition and Water Transformation Minister Datuk Seri Fadillah Yusof said this initiative is part of the ministry's preparations for post-disaster management.
Petra terlibat dalam JPS selepas banjir, biasanya akan ada banjir temenung. So apa yang kita kena sediakan ialah dengan farm dan sebagainya.
Speaking after officiating the iNation Global Summit 2024 in Kuala Lumpur on Monday, Fadillah said TNB ensured an uninterrupted electricity supply through the operation of its war room, which functions around the clock.
Dan mereka sudah pun wujudkan both GPS dengan TNB dan membuka war room sepanjang waktu untuk monitor dan memastikan bekalan elektrik dan juga pemantauan dari segi air dan sebagainya.
He said his team will closely monitor the situation, especially with the expected high tide phenomenon tomorrow.